Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, we will be learning how we can delete a bulk of emails at once from Gmail app. So for that, firstly you have to locate Gmail app in your mobile device and open it. And once you have opened your Gmail app, briefly holding on any of the email can enable an option where you can see a delete option at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on it can delete our email, but individually deleting emails can be very time and energy consuming. So in order to delete emails in bulk, hold on an email and you can see an option at the top corner saying select all. Just click on the checkbox. As you can see, 250 emails has been selected. So now clicking on the delete option will delete all those 250 emails. So this is the most easy and convenient technique through which you can delete a bulk of emails at the same time from Gmail account. So this was it guys. If you guys found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hope to see you guys on the next video. Until then, thank you for watching.